My people, another coronavirus matter just dey come from India. And some of us still dey anyway. Me sef, I don't forget say coronavirus even exist. No be say I no know, but you understand, like I'm too dey busy. Why some people still dey think of how to solve this corona matter? My people, Indian people, they don't bring their own again. These people and China, I no just understand. Now India, they believe say cow shit na the cure for coronavirus. No, just imagine madness. Cow. For una wey no know, as we dey talk now, they say India na wetin they call am? Now one of the most devastating wave of coronavirus. They say India country na one of them. People where they still, in fact, the struggling still dey very serious. Now not say for this our side, Nigeria we dey conquer everything. As our own they reduce, India own even they increase. We gonna make a give you an update as it be now. To 22.66 million cases now in India get concerning this corona, and 246,116,000 now don't die. No, imagine, just imagine the whole India. May the Lord be with you. And now doctors don't come outside because they don't hear this thing. Everybody don't, because we know say. No, not be even Africa alone. Everybody, if you hear say, this thing dey work, you say you go try. I don't know where India see their own. I don't know where they hear their own. Now doctors don't come outside, can't give them warning. Say this thing one they rub for our body, they cure anything. Scientific people said they never approve it. They never even, you understand? So they say may they stop her. If not, instead of the corona, they go even add another disease, be another sickness add inside the corona. So as it be now, they don't stop them because scientific, they never get evidence concerning this thing. I don't stop the laugh. Before they say now only Nigeria get crazy people. You don't understand. Maybe you never even imagine that. No, just 1 second. Imagine cow shit. You go pick up the rubber for your body like cream. Say they cure corona. I think say now only Nigeria get crazy people like we sabi mad. No, una sabi mad. Cow shit, my people. No, last now only me and Buhari get sense for this country. No, are they serious? How you go just sit down of all things wey you fit think of? No, start dey look there for that side though. See how all of them line up. Like say they now bread they go shit. I no just understand. But if you think this thing well, you know say the people wey suppose this take this cow shit person and Nigerians. No, if you think I'm well, just see. I know what start they mention cases. If you know, you know. Una sharp now. I like una. Boo boo people. Now why are they surprised? How come Buhari people no think of this thing since? No, na them for start them so that we understand. When I don't see everything for this world, Indian people don't come show me another one. Indian people and religion. Hey, no joke with them. Oh. These people, they fit do, in fact, tell them anything as long as say na from their religion, they are ready to do it. Indian, Chinese. I know now these two countries, no wonder they say corona. Some people say corona start from China, corona start from. I don't know where corona even come from. But waiting me, I know say these two countries, they easily they give us things. I just imagine the smell. No, just imagine smell of that thing where they rub for their body. In case you dey here, they listen to me. You think say na Indian movie. It's real. Not be movie. Forget all those where they do. This one is real. See them. So notice say I just go carry my taxi. You understand? If I know, say I don't know, baby Buhari say would do. We are make I leave my boo boo, make it rest. You understand? But I just the suspect. If Buhari hear this one now, make I just talk. If he hear this one, my people, you go see. You go turn to one of our health what do they call it? Agenda for Nigeria. You go here say cow shit, the new coronavirus vaccine. Bam. e no dey hard. Oh yeah, na make una wait, una go remember say I tell una for here. Our Indians, abeg make una well done. Because make una no send that thing come our country, please. We like it the way we are like this. Very, very important. My people, wetin una think concerning this matter. And I wan ask una one question. If they bring a come Nigeria, wetin you go do? You go rob am, abi you know? Start the rub am for that side. And yes, that this Friday una go get the presenter wey I don dey talk about since, because I know so many of una don dey, you understand, who be this, una go see am this Friday. Na why una need subscribe. If not, you no go dey updated with any latest one wey we get. And still share this video, make everybody know how India dey pass am now with the corona issue, the cases and the deaths wey happen. And don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell once again, so that you no go miss anything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, fire outbreak don happen for Oshodi, to be specific, na Cairo market. If una see fire, in fact, nothing wey you fit even say you dey go save from that place. Everywhere, everything just burn to ashes. And according to matter wey reach me, they say the fire, like 1 hour, like after the fire starts, they say they don't start the call fire service. Guess what? No, I dey sure say una already know. Our beloved people wey they don't disappoint. And as usual, they did not come on time. And people, everything just burn to ashes. The one wey even shock me, when they come, two different cars. When they come, less than 15 minutes, the water finish. For a whole market, you dey bring half tank of water. Abeg, I bring a corner aside. May no be like saying me just dey open my mouth, they talk rubbish. Abeg, join me, make we watch the video.
Cairo market, Oshodi, Lagos. Inside Oshodi, Lagos, Cairo market. Fire has been burning over 1 hour and they have called fire service, and this is the time they are coming. Just look at them, they are coming now. Just look at them. Just look at them. The time they are coming. Fire have destroyed people's goods, and this is the time fire service is coming. Fire is burning right away here live. Oshodi, Lagos, Nigeria, Cairo market, inside Cairo market. This is heavy fire. Have destroyed all people's goods. Have destroyed all people's goods inside this market, inside the complex, Cairo market.
Nigeria need to ask for forgiveness of sins. Nigeria need to ask for mercy. Una no understand. We need ask for mercy. These things, instead they do now like normal. Okay. The kind things where they happen now, he reach to ask for mercy. I don't know where we go ask him from, but may God just lead us. If no be fire, you know, just in this 1 month, you know how many places don't burn. Not to talk of from beginning of the year. You know how many pains, losses, people just they lose people. If not be people they lose, now business. If not be business, now everything just. How this fire starts? No, now my question. How this fire starts, I won't know. Now I go come and tell me it is a mistake now, coincidence now. Now this is too much for coincidence. It's too much. This kind of fire when I watch. Coincidence. Coincidence, if you not the talk of coincidence, at least tell me say, okay, the fire starts from one person shop where we manage to quench am. Una see the fire. This thing a plan work. I don't know, I know they mention it, but I beg now plan. This thing will be I'll get with your phone. I don't talk my own. Hey! Oh no. Imagine fire service arrive, not enough water, another wahala. Not enough water. Why? Light no dey to pump water. Nigeria. Nigeria. I just dey hope say people no die. At least maybe say na just even though e dey pain, may e just be say na property just go. Because I just dey imagine the pain. Na people see to start business no easy o. If you never try am, you no go understand. To start business no easy. You fit lose money, you fit lose everything. Then imagine after you finally set up, this kind thing can happen to person. No, I just want make you think am small. When they wan get money to go restock shops, to go dey buy goods, where? As this country be like this, when we dey hear say slashing of salaries don start, when we dey hear say no, where they wan get, you know, also the market. For una wey know am, una go understand wetin I dey talk about. It's just too much. The things wey dey happen too much. Now why they don't say we need to ask for forgiveness, my people? Nigeria have offended God. Nigeria have offended God. And it's not just me, it's not me and you are to talk about. They know themselves, those people in those seats, they have offended God. And as it be like this, you know, look like say person even they ready to change. Over 2,000 pastors are praying for this. Una they deceive yourself. You are all deceiving yourself. If you like, now my problem self be this one. As una they pray now, because una hear from God, they no go still obey. And maybe God go whisper to them, start treating your people nice. They no go obey. When they finish there, no, bang, everybody go. God, I beg God, deliver Nigeria. If not for anybody, for my sake. Yes, so I don't know how you they pray. Me, I they pray. We need help. Nigeria needs help. If not, depression go enter. People go start to take their lives. And I know say it don't start already, but I beg, make God just help us so that I no go further than this one. I don't tire. Bad news too much. I have tired. You know they. Oh, amen. If you no talk amen, I go talk amen for the prayer myself. Yes, amen. My people, now be this. If you know say you they part of people who get shop for that side, see, from the bottom of my heart, I am really sorry. Sorry. No, this one no be joke. I know say my sorry no go give you money, but at least I won't make you understand say I dey feel una pain. Very, very important. And may God provide more. Triple. Amen. Yes, very, very important. My people waiting una thing. Start the dropper for that comment section. And yes, I want sincere opinion. No come they tell me who is at fault, who is not at fault. We need positive things so that these people, very, very important. You understand? I beg, don't forget, dropper for that side. And yes, I want still know who una think say go day here, because yes, una go soon get new person for this place. Make I give you a small tip now from the southeast states. Yes, anybody where you guess or you think say na the person dropping along that side. And don't forget to share this video. Make everybody know say also the market don't enter one chance. Very, very important. And yes, click on that bell so that you no go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.